Hello guys, welcome to the Design Tech Center YouTube channel. In this video, we will be continuing with our sixth step in which we will be creating our boundary for our 3040 site, that is the compound wall for our model, and then we will be seeing how to apply or how to create the staircase into our model up to the terrace level, and at last we will be seeing how to apply the paint on the exterior walls. So first, let's create the compound wall for our model. To create the compound wall, first of all, you have to go to a level, that is, you have to go to the site level here. In the site level, as you can see, this is our plan or our model from the top view. Here in the architectural tab, you will be having the walls option. You have to select this wall option. First of all, you have to set the properties of the wall which you are going to build the compound wall. Here, as you can see, the thickness is 200 mm. I am okay with this thickness. And the base constant, it is showing ground level, and top constant, it is showing plinth level. So we don't need up to the plinth level. We want unconnected, that is unconnected means you can set the particular height into it. Select the unconnected option here. As you can see, the unconnected height is 20 feet. No, we don't need 20 feet height compound wall. So I will be setting a particular height, that is 4 feet height here. Click OK. Then click on the apply button here. Here in the wall option, you will be having many kinds of option over here. The shape of the boundary line you can select here, that is rectangular shape, circular shape, or a simple line. So before placing the compound wall, let's see where is our front or main door lies in which direction. So you have to check this. Let's see, it's north or south direction. It is in the north facing. So why I am saying this, because in the front region you have to leave, we have to leave the more area so that we can place the staircase and parking and all. So after verifying where our front lies, again go to the wall option here, select rectangular shape. After selecting rectangular shape, click on any portion and drag here up to your desirable area. So horizontally it is 30 and vertically it is 40. You have to be very careful when you are doing this. So okay, as you can see, we have placed a boundary here. These are the setbacks over here, and front setback is more, as we are going to place the staircase here and the parking and all. So we have placed the boundary here. Let's view it in the 3D option. So here you can see our compound is ready. We will be leaving a opening here for our main gate. We will be seeing that in the next video. So as our compound wall is ready, our next step is to place the staircase here. We are going to place the staircase up to the terrace level. So let's see what is the length from here to here. In the modify option, you will be having the measurement option here. So I am going to measure from here to here. It's 5 feet 10 inches. So 5 feet 10 inches is not enough to place the dogleg staircase here. So I am going to move a bit here. Select all the walls, and by using arrow keys you can move this upward or downward. I have moved little upward. Let's shift little bit to right side. This is fine now. So let's measure now what is the length. It is showing 6 feet 2 inches, which is quite enough to place the dogleg staircase. Now let's see how to place the staircase into our model. So here again in the architectural tab, you will be having the stairs option over here. So click on the stairs option. So after clicking on the stairs option, as you can see the properties browser here. In the properties browser, you have to edit according to your plan. So click on the edit type here. Here after clicking on the edit type, as you can see the minimum run width here is 3 feet 3 inches, which is not suitable for our plan as the available length is 6 feet 2 inches. So click the minimum run width is let's keep it 2 feet. Click on OK and apply and OK. Here after setting the width, see the base level, it is ground level, it is OK, and the top level it is showing plinth. So we need up to the first floor, so click on the first floor here. After clicking on the first floor, here as you can see the actual width is 3 feet 3 inches. So here you have to click your desired width. You have to type the desired width here. So I am typing 2 feet 4 inches and OK. Here check it is automatic landing is selected or not. So click on this automatic landing. Okay, let's draw the staircase here. I am starting from here. Let's be up to here. Then I am continuing from here to here. Okay, our stairs has been placed here. Click on finish to finish the edit. Okay, as you can see our staircase is been ready. Now you can move the staircase accordingly. I am moving it to here. Okay, that's fine. Let's view it in 3D option here. So as you can see our staircase has been ready. Now we have to edit our slab so that we'll get another landing over here. So again let's go to the site option here. Click on the slab here. We have the slab. Select this. Here you have the edit sketch option. Click on this edit sketch. Okay, now click on this line and drag it. I will drag it a bit up to here and OK. Now I am selecting this line and I will delete and click on the boundary line option. Here it is the line option. Click from here to here and then till here we will extend this slab. Then let's click up to here and we will connect this. So click on finish button, click yes. So our slab is been ready and our landing is ready over here. So let's view it in 3D mode here. This is our landing we have just created by editing our slab, and that's fine. Okay, now let's see how to place the railings or parapet wall on the terrace. So again go to the site option here. Here in the architectural tab, you will be having the railing option here. Click on the railing option. So you have to go to the first floor level first of all. Here in the first floor level, as you can see, it is showing only staircase. So let's go to the properties again. Here in the properties, you will be having the underline option. The base range is first floor. So let's the base range be up to the ground floor. Now you can view the our plan from the top. Here in the architectural tab, you will be having the railing option. Click on the railing option and click on the line type. We will be creating the railing from here now. You make sure that you will cover full terrace from this to here. From here to here. Okay, click on the finish edit mode and view it in 3D. Here, as you can see, this is our railing. So let's just delete this. Okay, let's go to again first floor option. Here, as you can see, it is covered here also. So you can edit it by edit type, edit mode option here. Click here and just delete it and finish it. So now let's view in 3D. Okay, here you can see. So I hope all of you have understood this. So we will be updating the next videos soon. Thank you.